Hello, I'm going to introduce you to a business intelligence and analytics software named Tableau. This is used to extract useful information from a large data. Let's dive into the website. Here you can see that there are two options. We are going to continue with this Tableau option because it's publicly free. Going to discuss about the key features of the Tableau. First of all, it can handle large files with very ease. It can make a very different categories of graphs very easily. As you can see that there are different types of graph like Florence night angel chart, radar spider dot, multiple strips, and population pyramid. And also a world map kind of graph is included in Tableau. Very user friendly graphical interface. Data integration. Tableau supports a wide range of data sources, including databases like SQL servers, Oracle, cloud services like AWS, Google Cloud, and even simple Excel spreadsheets. The last key feature is analytical expansions. Tableau can use wide array of other tools and platforms, including Python for advanced analytics and Salesforce for CRM. Now we are getting into the Tableau software. This is the Tableau icon. Just double click on it. As you can see this interface, it's quite minimalistic. As I have told you, it can support multiple different files like Microsoft Excel text files, JSON files, Microsoft Access, PDF format, spatial format, and statistical format. And it also connect to the servers. And now let me just open you a sample file of a superstore. This is a sample file of superstore. I have to drag and drop the orders. This is the table of orders holding different kind of variables like row id, order id, ship date, customer names, and country, city. So if you want to, it's a very big data. You cannot just interpret it all, so you have to make some graph of it. So just click on this. Now I have to make some graph, so I have to take some variables. So I'm going to take the first variable as state in columns and the profits in rows. So you can see the graph clearly. Some states superstore are earning more profit and some are even making losses. So let me show you in different graph. So I'm going to take this like countries, states, and profits. I'm going to show profit with a color gradient. So now you can see that different states and the color combination is showing the amount of profits and loss made by the company. So you can clearly instantly distinguish that California is making a lot of profit for the superstores and Texas is making a lot of loss for the company. So if I want to make a dashboard for this, I will quickly make this canvas large and arrange the sheets like this. Now you can clearly see that both of the graphs are on over this dashboard. Like for example, if I want to zoom on California, like find the profits of California, I will just click on it and I can see that. If I want to sync both of the graphs, I can use this graph as a filter function, non-filter. And as a now you can see that if I click on California, it will zoom on the California. If I want to go on the North California, Carolina, it will go to the North Carolina. As you have seen the capabilities of this software, if you are impressed, I just want to remind you that this is just the free version of it, and I have just scratched the surface. There are way more and vast possibilities of different kind of graphs.